Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change your birthday on Apple ID in 2025. Whether you're updating for accuracy, age verification, or just because life happens, this quick guide will get you sorted in no time. Apple occasionally tweaks its interface, so we'll focus on the 2025 updates to ensure you're following the most current steps. First things first, make sure you're on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac with the latest iOS or macOS installed. Apple's 2025 features might require this for smooth sailing. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. It's that gear icon you see on your home screen. Once you're in, scroll up and tap on your name at the top. That's your Apple ID profile. Next, in your Apple ID settings, look for the option that says Name, Phone Numbers, Email. Tap on that, and you'll see your personal details. Now, here's where the magic happens. Find the Birth Date or Birthday field. Tap on it to edit. Enter your new birthday carefully, double-checking for accuracy since Apple might ask for verification to prevent fraud. After you've made the changes, hit Save or Done at the top right. Apple could prompt you to confirm via email or two-factor authentication, especially with the enhanced security in 2025. If everything goes smoothly, your birthday should update across all your Apple services, like the App Store and iCloud. One quick heads up. If you're under a certain age, Apple might restrict some features, so keep that in mind. And remember, you can't change your birthday too frequently. Apple has limits to maintain account integrity. There you have it, you've successfully updated your birthday on your Apple ID. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.